Let's take a look at an example to see in practice what we've just discussed. So in this example, we will find the two-dimensional minimum of this function given here. There is a function of x1 and x2, and it's the cosine of x1 minus the sine of x2. So the gradient of this function is minus sine of x1 and minus cosine of x2. In Python, we will have the same approach, so we will have a starting point, and then we also set an alpha, and we have this iteration. So in this case, alpha is equals to 1, and the starting point will be 2 and 2. And what we have here, after some 3 iterations, is a value of pi, and a value of pi divided by 2. So we see that the minimum is obtained for x1 as 3.14, 15, 9, and so on. So this is the exact value of pi, and this is what we got. And x2 is the exact value is given here, and we obtain this. So we observe that we needed 3 iterations to obtain 9-digit accuracy in this two-dimensional case. For the one-dimensional case with the Newton iteration, we needed only 2 iterations to get the same accuracy.